K-lava salt, legal name INSANGA, are the ones who industrialized 9times baked bamboo salt for the first time in the world in 1987. They are specialized in crafting the 9times baked bamboo salt with meticulous precision, ensuring its utmost effectiveness. Let's discuss it. Applications of bamboo salt. 1. Antioxidant property. Bamboo salt is a potent source of antioxidant prowess, a quality rooted in its mineral-rich composition and unique production process. When bamboo salt is added to meals, they encounter reactive oxygen species in the body that cause cellular and genetic damage. As a result, our body gets immune from serious diseases and nourishes following a slow aging process. 2. Anti-cancer effects. Bamboo salt has sparked interest for its potential anti-cancer properties. Studies show that minerals in bamboo salt might disrupt cancer cell growth and promote apoptosis, a natural cell death process that helps prevent uncontrolled cell multiplication. 3. Immune-enhancing action. Our immune system is imperative in increasing our survival rate by acting as a barrier against pathogens and microbes. One of the main reasons for compromised immune function is the deficiency of minerals that can be cooped using bamboo salt containing proper mineral profile. These findings illuminate bamboo salt's role in enhancing immune response, signifying its potential as a valuable contributor to overall well-being. 4. Antiallergic effects. An allergy is an abnormal and exaggerated immune response triggered by exposure to environmental substances that are typically harmless to most individuals. The immune system mistakenly identifies these allergens as a potential threat in individuals with allergies. Bamboo salt showed antiallergic effects by reducing ear swelling caused by mast cell triggers allergic reactions. 5. Anti-obesity function. Obesity has been a leading concern for decades, and now it has affected approximately 30% of the total world population. However, a person can still get rid of this lingering health disease by utilizing effective natural remedies, and bamboo salt stands out as the premium curing agent in this regard. Watch Part 3 to know more benefits.